How to make money in India? There are several ways to make money in India. Start a business. You can start your own business in an area you are knowledgeable or passionate about. Consider conducting market research to identify a gap in the market that you can fill. Invest in stocks and mutual funds. Investing in the stock market and mutual funds can provide high returns, but it also carries some risks. Consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Online freelancing. With the rise of the gig economy, there are many online platforms that allow you to offer your skills and services, such as writing, design, programming, or virtual assistance, to clients from around the world. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, you can offer online tutoring services and earn money teaching students. Rent out a room or property. If you have extra space, consider renting out a room in your home or a property. This can provide a steady,